Good morning, students. Today we will discuss in course of parts of the plants. This is return of leaf, and leaf is the green colored structure. And why it is green in color? Due to presence of chlorophyll. Due to presence of chlorophyll, and where the chlorophyll leaf, chlorophyll रहेगा कहाँ? लीफ के अंदर. लीफ बॉडी मेड अप ऑफ एंटायर बॉडी of the plants, animals are also our cells also. These are made up of a number of cells. So cells having some organelles, and this chlorophyll is present into a special cell organelle which is present only in plants, that is the chloroplast. Chloroplast is also known as kitchen of the plant. Why? What is kitchen of the plant cells? Why it is called as kitchen of the plant cells? Kitchen of the plant, green leaves. Kitchen of the plant cells, chloroplast. Because chloroplast having, chloroplast के अंदर क्या होता है? Chloroplast is a big room. इस रूम के अंदर क्या होता है? Chlorophyll arrange होता है. तो chlorophyll is present in the chloroplast. Leaf is how will you define a leaf? The flattened चपटी होती है ना, the flattened green colored structures, the flattened green colored structures which arise from the nodes of the stem or branches. The flattened green colored structures which arise from the stem or branches known as leaf. Now we are going to discuss the parts of a leaf. So look over here. You can draw like this leaf, and as you are looking over here, this is the base of the leaf, and this base of the leaf attached with the stem. The part of the leaf, the base of the leaf through which it attached with the stem is known as petiole. So what is the petiole? The base of the leaf through which it attached with the stem known as petiole. In case of the leaf like this one, this is petiole, this is leaf, and this leaf, flat portion of the leaf is known as flat, broad portion of the leaf is known as leaf lamina. The broad portion of the leaf is called as leaf lamina. Got it? These are the margins of the leaf. You can observe in a number of leaves like this one. So these are known as leaf margins. What we call them? Leaf margin. So this is the leaf margin. Leaf margin. This is the tip of the leaf, and tip of the leaf is known as leaf tip. Tip of the leaf is known as leaf tip. So what are the part? Number one, petiole, the stalk-like structure through which it attached with the stem. Second, leaf tip. Third one, leaf lamina. Fourth one, leaf margins. Now you are looking over here. There is a broad, एक मोटी सी pipeline है. There is a broad and there is a thick vessel which transport the water, minerals from stem to leaf, and collect and also transport food material which is synthesized in the leaf to different parts. Water minerals like this, food material, right? So this main thick central vein is known as midrib. The central main vein is known as midrib. From the midrib, a number of branches arise over here, like this. These are a number of branches arise. These are known as veins. Veins and midrib. Got it? Veins and midrib. I think you have understood the structure of leaf. Now, after discussion of the structure of leaf, different parts of the leaf, now look. Venation, leaf venation. You have look different kind of the leaves. One is this, another like this. In this kind of leaf, you are looking, there is a network of the veins. There is a network of the veins. There is a central midrib and a number of the veins. In another kind of the leaves, there is no central vein. There is no central vein. There are a number of the veins run parallel to one another. Bamboo leaves, grass, wheat, rice, maize, मक्का, इन सब बच्चों ऐसी वाली लीव्स होती है. Which kind of paired venation is this? The arrangement of the veins is called as leaf venation. Arrangement of veins in a leaf, arrangement of the veins in a leaf is called as leaf venation. Which kind of leaf venation is this? Network, reticulate venation. Reticulate venation. This is the reticulate venation, and is this parallel venation. Parallel venation. So there are two kind of the leaf venation occur in the leaves: reticulate venation and parallel venation. Now dig out a plant. This kind of leaf venation, wheat, rice, maize, grass, this kind of leaf venation, rose, mango, whatever it is, जो भी हमको plants हमारे आसपास दिखते हैं, वो सब reticulate venation. When we dig out, उसको उखाड़ लेते हैं, and this is the activity. Dig out various kind of the plants. When you dig out a plant which contain reticulate venation, its root will be taproot. Yes. जिसमें भी हमारे जिस भी प्लांट के अंदर रेटिकुलेट वेनेशन होगा, विच काइंड ऑफ लीफ इज दिस, विच काइंड ऑफ रूट इज दिस, टेप रूट. इन सच काइंड ऑफ द प्लांट्स द रूट विल बी fibrous root. Fibrous root can be seen in the plants which having parallel venation. Tape root can be seen in the plant which having reticulate venation. Now look, try to understand a term that is the transpiration. What is the transpiration? Loss of water in the form of water vapor. Loss of water in the form of water vapor through the stomata of leaves. Through the stomata of leaves. The loss of water in the form of water vapor in the form of stomata of the leaves. This loss of water is known as transpiration. Transpiration occurs from the all kind of the plants. You can take a potted plant like this. You will take a potted plant. And now this potted plant, water sufficiently, अच्छा सा पानी दे देंगे इसे. Now cover this plant with a polythene. Now cover the plant with a polythene. अब इसको एक पॉलीथीन बैग से, पॉली बैग से इसको कवर कर देंगे. Put the plant in the sun after 2 hours, 3 hours. When you remove this polythene, you will observe small droplets in the polythene. From where these water droplets come? These water droplets come from the water lost by the leaves through the stomata by the process of transpiration. Transpiration के through जैसे water बाहर गया, it get condense and deposit on the leaves, deposit on the polythene. Now look, plants, green plants associated with the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means production. The process of formation of food, you will write down, you can write down over here. The process of formation of the food in the presence of sunlight, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. The process of formation of food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll by using water and carbon dioxide. By using water and carbon dioxide as a raw material. The process of formation of the food by using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called as food, is called as photosynthesis. And this food, in case of the plants, is stored in the form of starch. This food is stored in the form of starch. साथ में रिलीज होती है along with the food, the oxygen is liberated. This oxygen is utilized by us for respiration. Got it? In this way, plants taken in carbon dioxide and release out oxygen. We taken in oxygen, release out carbon dioxide. Plants taken in carbon dioxide, release oxygen. Animals taken in oxygen, release out carbon dioxide. In this way, plants and animals both are responsible for maintenance of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere. Plants release oxygen during photosynthesis and it maintains the oxygen level in atmosphere. Got it? This process is known as photosynthesis. याद हुआ एक बार वापस. The process of formation of the food material by using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. Now look, how will you prove that starch is synthesized, produced by the green plants? How will you prove it? How can you prove it? Simple. Take 2 or 3 green leaves and put the leaves in the water. Put the leaves in the water. Now start to boil it. Now start to boil the leaf. When you boil the leaf, it lost its green color. जो ग्रीन कलर है वो चला जाएगा. It lost its green color. Now take the leaf on a glass slide. एक ग्लास का पीस है, glass slide. Take the leaf on the glass slide and put iodine solution over it. And now put the iodine solution over it. इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा iodine solution हम डाल देंगे. As you put iodine solution, the color of leaf turn blue black. The color of leaf turn blue black. Why it turn blue black? Due to presence of starch. When starch react with the iodine, it produce blue black color. It produce blue black color. हो गया? चलिए नाउ जल्दी से फंक्शंस देख लेते हैं हमारे लीफ के. नंबर 1, फोटोसिंथेसिस, साइट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. सेकंड 1, ट्रांसपीरेशन. ट्रांसपीरेशन अकर थ्रू स्टोमेटा, स्मॉल पोर्स present in the leaves. Small pores present in the leaves known as stomata. So loss of water in the form of water vapor is known as transpiration. Next one, through these small pores, these pores are responsible for exchange of gases. Taken in carbon dioxide, release out oxygen. Right? This is the process, functions of the leaf.